Welcome back, guys. So, in this lecture, we are going to learn about how to buy cryptocurrencies, and we'll be also visiting the online wallets available for storing, trading, as well as buying these cryptocurrencies. So, let's head towards our computer screens and visit these websites. Here we are. So, we are going to talk about two online cryptocurrency platforms which provide services like crypto trading, buying, as well as storing. These platforms are Coinbase.com and Blockchain.com. Both are online crypto wallets. So, right now, you know what's cryptocurrency, right? But you need to understand the concept behind buying cryptocurrency and how to use it. So, in the normal world, we have money, physical money, which we can call fiat money. When we store this money in a bank account, we have a bank account, then we are able to pay with our card or something. For cryptocurrencies, this works the pretty same way. So, you take your crypto, you buy your cryptocurrency and you store it. You have to store it somewhere, so you can store it directly well on your desktop. But that's not the purpose here. Our goal is to have access to it very easily. So we are going to use the online wallet, that is direct online. So we can store cryptocurrency and use it for trading or selling. It could be a wallet, as I said. It can be stored on a computer directly. It could be a cold storage wallet, which is stored, let's say, on a small server or on a small hard drive, which is stored somewhere at your house, right? But once again, we are only going to talk about wallets that are online because they are the safest and the most convenient ways to store cryptocurrencies. These two wallets, which I think very useful, are very easy to use. I'm not going to use my official trading account for security purposes. So the account which we will be using are just dummy accounts. So these are just example accounts to see a little bit what it is, how it works, and why are they very cool to use. So the first one that we are going to visit will be coinbase.com. We are actually currently on that website. So when you get on the website, you will have to create yourself an account. You'll also have to add your email address and security. It's very secure because every time you will try to log in, you will receive a OTP. So you'll have to enter your code. So it's very secure. So here we are on the home page of coinbase.com. So here is the watch list section where all the famous cryptos and the cryptos you have earned are shown. On free crypto with Coinbase on. Okay, we'll discuss about this section afterwards. This is the portfolio section, which shows the cryptocurrencies which are owned by you. So let's see the portfolio section. Portfolio balance. These are your balance. You own cryptocurrencies, right? Your assets. Actually, as this is an dummy account, we don't own any cryptocurrency. But you see, there are many cryptocurrencies listed here. Invest over time, buy crypto every day, week or month. Okay. Prices. Okay, this is the price section which shows price, percent change, market capacity, etc. of this list of bitcoins. Actually, if I'm not wrong, this list is of limited bitcoins. These are very famous, not bitcoin, sorry, cryptocurrencies. These are very famous ones, and yeah, you can even toggle the time and see the changes. So if we set 1 hour, bitcoin changes like 0.86%, ethereum is like 1.22%, xrp, bitcoin cash, so many of them. One in 1 hour there is only dash which is in positive side. Let's see the 1 week section. Bitcoin is in 9% down, ethereum is 0.09% down. 1 month, bitcoin is 23% up. That's a huge number. If it's as at $16,000, right? So many cryptocurrencies. You can even check the up market value here, so that you can estimate which bitcoin is going to progress and which is going to get downwards. So there are many ones. 250% increase in seller lumens. Yeah, Yearn Finance, it's $22,000 and it has like 2000% increase in 1 year. That's huge. actually. You can even buy or sell cryptos, but it requires identity, so I'm not going to do that. You can even receive and send bitcoins to email it, to enter email or address. That's actually your public key. Notification sections, no, we don't have any notification. Yeah, so let's see the on free crypto section. Okay, on free crypto section. So actually coinbase.com gives you or provides you some courses, and after completing these courses it rewards you in cryptos, right? So maker gives how it works and you will earn up to $6 in mkr. Cello Cello, learn how it works and you'll earn up to $6 in Cello. So after completion of this courses, you will actually earn. You don't have to give any money like in Udemy. You provide some money for a particular course. But here, if you complete these courses, they will provide you some money in form of bitcoins. Kyber network gives $6 in KYC. Orchid doesn't give anything. Tezos $6 XYZ. Dai is actually quite famous. I have heard about it many times. Dai is famous. It also learn how it works and you will earn Dai. It doesn't show how much, but Zcash is also famous actually in transaction. If you want totally anonymous transactions, Zcash is more preferred than bitcoins because it offers more secure transaction services. Kyber network. So let's use compound. Let's see this course compound as it gives $59. That's the highest amount, price amount. So learn compound on comp. Okay. Beginner lessons. So how it works, learn how it works, and you learn up to $59 in comp. On interest with compound, borrowing crypto with compound, you can, these are just video lectures, you can watch them and on. That's great. You'll also increase your knowledge. Use compound with Coinbase wallet. It will give $10 in comp and $3 in USD. So that's great actually. Want more compound, invite your friends and you will earn up to, so four friends, and so you invite four friends and you get like 10 comp. So that's it for coinbase.com. So on crypto while learning crypto. Okay, maker. And so let's now visit blockchain.com, right, and see what's its services. So welcome back. It gives you ID. Okay, wallet ID. It's asking for a password. Actually, the my previous account was locked. That was also a dummy account, so there was no problem actually. So this is the dashboard of blockchain.com. Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, total balance. This is a graph of Bitcoins actually. Yes. Actually, also again, this is a dummy account, so we don't own any of the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ether. Hey, this graph shows the volatility of this cryptocurrencies. You see, in November 1, there was like $500, 13,773 to 13,831, like $100 gain in the prices of bitcoins. That's huge. See, in a month there was 23.74% gain, and that's not less because it's $3,000, right? The prices of bitcoins have gone up $3,000 in just month. So that it's famous because of its volatility actually. Then if not volatility, what is the difference between stocks and this cryptocurrencies? So let's see in a day actually. Prices fluctuation in a day of bitcoins. So November 27 it was $17,000, and so the lowest is 16,488 and the highest is $17,161. That's huge. See the Bitcoin section. Bitcoin section is like Bitcoins are down 9.83% this week. Buy Bitcoin now. Okay. It'll ask you some money actually. Yes. $0 Bitcoins, 5,000 maximum buy. Okay. $5,000 maximum buy, so you can't even buy a half Bitcoin, but half Bitcoin is quite huge. You can even buy Bitcoins, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, USD. You can even buy in US currency. That's great. You can even see stocks in USD. By Ether price is $509. You can even convert Ether to your money and withdraw it later. So yeah, you see many things: Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar. See the dashboard again. US dollars. Even you can invest in dollars, euros, pounds. These are actually cryptocurrencies, not stocks, but they are also great. So total, see, this is the balance. Actually, I don't own anything, so there is zero. But see hardware section. uh, I have not plugged any kind of hardware in here, so it's showing zero. But if I plug a hardware which contains any kind of Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, it will quickly scan and show how much I own, right? You can also send Bitcoins. That's a great factor actually. From Bitcoin wallet to, you can paste here the public key of the person who you want to send it. Oh, it's trying to, no. Okay. You can even convert in USD to BTC, so you don't have to like invest your Bitcoins to the person. You can donate USD and the person will get it in Bitcoins. You can even request Bitcoins. This is my QR code and this is my public address. In this address, if you want, don't actually. So if anybody wants, they can send me Bitcoins here. I am not asking, I am just telling, right? So because, and buy or sell crypto. Okay, you can buy or sell crypto. These are the prices actually. You can even borrow. Borrowing is not allowed. This is a new account, so it asks you to, you need to be gold level to benefit from this new offering. So I think you need to give blockchain.com some service or money, so they'll give you some extra service. Swap your crypto, verify, add your name, address, start swapping. Actually, the sites requires your IDs. I have not given anything. So you can even see, confirm your email address, secure account. Okay, interest, yes, you can even get your interest 12% annually on a crypto, and that's large interest actually, because many of the banks give like 7% on our cash. So that's it for this lecture, guys. So in this lecture we visited coinbase.com and blockchain.com, and in the next lecture I'm going to explain you how you can generate these cryptocurrencies through your computer for free. Yes, for free. Like, you don't have to invest money buying this cryptocurrencies, but you can get just by your computer for free. So let's meet in the next lecture. Thank you very much. See you there.